Hello everyone, my name is Nirav Kiraiwala. I completed my civil engineering diploma in 2016 from Dala Institute of Diploma Studies, Kheda. I have a 3 years of experience in non-IT field. I have done research a lot and then I got to know about STAD Solution and I enrolled myself in the manual testing course. STAD Solution is the right place where you get amazing learning along with good experience. They give assignments, practicals on regular basis, sort doubts at the time and conduct mock sessions and exam as well. So we will get to know where we are standing and where we have to learn more, we have to improve more. STAD Solution also prepares for interviews. I am so grateful and fortunate to join STAD Solution because they prepared me so well. I highly recommend STAD Solution for those who have non-IT experience and want to grow their career in IT industry. Thank you.